They cannot break the Caracal's resolve. They retreat to the safety of the sky, leaving their companion to the dark. For the one left behind, there is only the end. Although these two show courage, they do not risk their own lives for another's. The prey has reached the shore, yet he continues its struggle. The bird is still alive, its wings beating a final frantic pulse. The urge to live is a powerful thing. But the Caracal is a merciless master of the hunt. A predator refined by instinct. And when the hunt is set in motion, escape becomes impossible. The Serval, watching from afar, sees an opportunity to steal what he could not kill. He hurls himself toward the Caracal, like a stealthy thief. As the Caracal begins to feed, the Serval strikes. He lunges onto the kill. The two cats collide in a whirlwind of fur and fury. The Serval delivers a stinging blow to the Caracal's face. Is the hunter to be robbed of his feast? The thief turns to run. The Caracal follows. A relentless pursuit across the barren pan. The Serval realizes his error. The Caracal is not a rival to be trifled with. They face each other one last time. The Serval attempts a final defense, but the Caracal is the greater power. The Caracal is consistent in his pursuit of justice. He overtakes the smaller cat with terrifying ease. He catches the thief. His jaws find the throat. He bites down with the full weight of his authority. The resolution. The Serval grows limp. The struggle leaves him. The Caracal holds on until the breath is gone. He unlocks his jaws. The intruder is discarded. The Caracal turns away from the fallen rival.